Hello everyone. Let us solve this system of symmetric equations. X into bracket y plus z is equal to 2, y into bracket x plus z is equal to 3, z into bracket x plus y is equal to 4. By using these three equations, we have to find out x plus y plus z as well as x square plus y square plus z square and separate values of x, y and z. Solution for this. Part 1. Taking multiplication by x with this bracket, x into y plus x into z is equal to 2. Consider this as equation number 1. Then multiply this bracket by y, x into y plus y into z is equal to 3. This is equation number 2. Then multiply this bracket by z. So xz plus yz is equal to 4. This is equation number 3. Now adding these three equations, 1 plus 2 plus 3. This gives x into y plus x into z plus x into y plus y into z plus x into z plus y into z. This is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now x into y and this x into y is equal to 2 into xy. X into z plus this x into z, 2xz plus yz, that is 2yz. This is equal to 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9. Now taking 2 common from each term on left hand side, this gives 2 times xy plus xz plus yz is equal to 9. Divide left hand side by 2, divide right hand side by 2. This 2 cancels with this 2. Hence we can write xy plus xz plus yz is equal to 9 upon 2. And now consider this is equation number 4. Now equation 4 minus equation 1, this gives xy plus xz plus yz minus xy minus xz is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 2. This xy cancels with this xy. This xz cancels with this xz. Hence yz is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 2. That is 9 minus 4 upon 2, which is equal to 5 upon 2. Hence yz is equal to 5 upon 2. Consider this is equation number 5. Similarly, 4 minus 2 gives xy plus xz plus yz minus xy minus yz. This is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 3. And this is equal to 3 upon 2. Subtract this xy with this xy, this yz with this yz. So xz is equal to 3 upon 2. And consider this is equation number 6. Now equation 4 minus equation 3 gives xy plus xz plus yz minus xz minus yz. This is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 4. And this is equal to 1 upon 2. This xz cancels with this xz. This yz cancels with this yz. Hence xy is equal to 1 upon 2. Consider this is equation number 7. Taking multiplication of equation number 5, equation number 6 and equation number 7, this gives yz into xz into xy. This is equal to 5 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, and this is equal to 5 into 3 into 1 is 15 upon 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Hence x square into y square into z square is equal to 15 upon 8. Consider this is equation number 8. Since equation number 5 is yz is equal to 5 upon 2, squaring both sides of this equation, which gives y square z square is equal to 5 square is 25 upon 2 square is 4. And consider this is equation number A. Since equation number 6 is xz is equal to 3 upon 2, squaring both sides of this equation, x square z square is equal to 3 square is 9 upon 2 square is 4. And consider this is equation number B. Since equation number 6 is xy is equal to 1 upon 2, squaring both sides of this equation, x square y square is equal to 1 upon 4. Consider this is equation number 6. Put equation A in equation 8. X square into 25 upon 4 is equal to 15 upon 8. Hence x square is equal to, taking this 25 upon 4 on right hand side, 15 upon 8 divided by 25 upon 4. This is equal to 15 upon 8 into reciprocal of this 4 upon 25. Divide 15 by 5, this gives 3. 25 by 5, this gives 5. Divide 4 by 4, this gives 1. 8 by 4, this gives 2. Hence this is equal to 3 into 1, 3 upon 2 into 5, 10. Hence x square is equal to 3 upon 10. Consider this is equation number D. Taking square roots on both sides of this equation, which gives x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 upon 10. This is suppose equation number E. Put equation B in equation 8. Hence y square into 9 upon 4 is equal to 15 upon 8. Take this 9 upon 4 on right hand side. Hence y square is equal to 15 upon 8 divided by this 9 upon 4, which is equal to 15 upon 8 into reciprocal of this 4 upon 9. Divide this 4 by 4, which gives 1. Divide this 8 by 4, which gives 2. 15 by 3, which gives 5. Divide this 9 by 3, which gives 3. Hence 5 into 1 is 5. 2 into 3 is 6. Hence y square is equal to 5 upon 6. Consider this is equation number F. Taking square roots on both sides of this equation number F, which gives y is equal to plus or minus square root of 5 upon 6, and consider this is equation number G. Now put equation C in equation 8. Hence 1 upon 4 into z square is equal to 15 upon 8. Now take this 1 upon 4 on right hand side. Hence z square is equal to 15 upon 8 into 4 upon 1. This is equal to, divide this 4 by 4 which gives 1, divide this 8 by 4 which gives 2. Hence this is equal to 15 into 1, 15 divided by 2 into 1, 2. Hence z square is equal to 15 upon 2. And consider this is equation number H. Taking square root on both sides of this equation H, this gives z is equal to plus or minus square root of 15 upon 2. And consider this is equation number I. Now taking addition of equation number D plus equation number F plus equation number H, that is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to, which gives 3 upon 10 plus 5 upon 6 plus 15 upon 2, which is equal to, LCM is 30. 3 square is 9 plus 5 square is 25 plus 15 square is 225 is equal to 225 plus 25, 250 plus 9, 259 divided by 30. Hence x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 259 divided by 30. And consider this is answer number 1. Now part 2 of the solution. From equation 4, xy plus xz plus yz, this is equal to 9 upon 2, which is equal to 4.5. And we know the formula, x plus y plus z square of this is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times xy plus xz plus yz. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 259 divided by 30 plus 2 times xy plus xz plus yz is equal to 9 upon 2. Here this 2 cancels with this 2, hence this is equal to 259 plus 9 into 30, that is 270 divided by 30, which is equal to 529 divided by 30. That means x plus y plus z square of this is equal to 529 divided by 30. Taking square roots on both sides, x plus y plus z is equal to plus or minus square root of 529 divided by 30. Using calculator, this is equal to, we can write plus or minus 4.1992, and consider this is answer number A2. From equation E, x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 upon 10. From equation G, y is equal to plus or minus square root of 5 upon 6. And from equation I, z is equal to plus or minus square root of 15 upon 2. And consider this as answer number 3. In this way, we have obtained all three answers. Hence, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 259 divided by 3. This is answer A1. X plus y plus z is equal to plus or minus 4.1992. This is answer number A2. And x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 upon 10. Y is equal to plus or minus square root of 5 upon 6. And z is equal to plus or minus square root of 15 upon 2. This is answer number 3. Hence the solution. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.